Guildhall was founded in 1931, which was during the Great Depression and Prohibition, and it was the vision of a philanthropist named Mary Woodhouse that the arts would make us better citizens, better critical thinkers, and just better to each other. Artists really became the engine of Guildhall from the very beginning. Over the years, people who have performed at Guildhall include Billy Joel, Willie Nelson, Elvis Costello, James Earl Jones, Liza Minnelli, Jerry Seinfeld, Neil deGrasse Tyson. You get the idea.
As Guildhall approached its 100th year, it was time for a transformation, one that would preserve its character while bringing its technology into the modern era.
So this latest update to the theater was absolutely necessary to be able to meet all the tech riders and the demands of today's performing artists. We still were using incandescent lights and gels, issues with audio, video, and projection that needed to be resolved.
I think this renovation was sort of prompted by the need to meet the expectations of modern artists and audiences. Everybody expects an immersive and engaging performance these days, and the artists want to deliver that, so we needed to install the tools that would allow us to achieve such performances and really be able to foster and support the artists and collaborators.
We have an audience today that is a very well-educated audience that consumes a lot of arts and culture. They needed to be in a space that was extremely comfortable and supremely outfitted for today's, AV needs. And we feel like we've achieved everything that we wanted to do without changing the character of the space.
Ford came in and they installed our new audio console, the Digico systems. They installed the acoustic enhancement system as well. They installed a variety of network gear to help us tie all systems together. We installed streaming infrastructure that we previously didn't have. The hope is that we will eventually be able to target much larger audiences and spread, our programming throughout the country. We also had them install the projectors, the projector over the stage as well as the front of house projector up at the control room. They helped us with our monitor system on stage. We have speakers over the sides of the stage now as stage fills. We wanted more audio flexibility, so we installed the electronic acoustic enhancement system, which gave us the ability to vary the acoustics throughout the space, catering to the performer and the audience, giving them each the ability to feel like they're in a variety of different spaces. It's just so much more immersive. You come in and you're no longer just watching a show, but you kind of become a part of the show. The technical elements kind of help break down the walls of possibility to, help artists and audiences experience amazing things. Throughout the process, the Ford team was very accommodating. They heard all of our requests. They worked with us to redesign as needed, and they really wanted to deliver us the best product that met our needs, but also entertained and amazed audiences and performers.